What if the limits of exploration simply didn't exist? What if every horizon was just a door waiting to be opened? The 2026 Scania DesertCruiser 6x Motorhome dares to answer that question. Not with words, but with power, presence, and purpose. Built for those who believe that life begins where the map ends. This machine transforms the concept of travel into something truly extraordinary. It's not just transportation. It's liberation on 6 wheels, as the sun sets over endless dunes and the horizon glows with promise. The DesertCruiser stands as a symbol of limitless, human ambition, a fusion of engineering and art, muscle and intelligence. Designed to thrive in the most unforgiving environments on Earth, it's a vehicle that refuses to compromise between strength and comfort. Whether it's cutting through desert storms, climbing glaciers, or crossing continents, this isn't just a machine, it's a mobile civilization. And in a world where technology and freedom rarely coexist, Scania has achieved the impossible. A motorhome that lets you explore farther, live bolder, and dream without restraint. The 2026 DesertCruiser doesn't just conquer terrain, it conquers imagination. This is the future of overland adventure, the embodiment of the phrase, explore without limits. It's a promise to the dreamers, the wanderers, and the adventurers that home isn't a place you go back to. It's a place you take with you. Welcome back to YYD Auto, the channel where power meets precision, and innovation knows no limits. Today we step into a new era of overland engineering, one defined by the 2026 Scania DesertCruiser 666, a creation that shatters expectations. Scania, known for building some of the toughest trucks on the planet, has reimagined what a motorhome can be. They've combined the raw, unstoppable power of their commercial fleet with the sophistication of modern luxury travel. The result? A vehicle that doesn't just go off-road, it redefines what off-road even means. The DesertCruiser is more than a product of industrial might. It's a reflection of human curiosity, a tribute to the explorers who chase the edge of the world. Every bolt, every contour, every system has been designed with purpose. From the reinforced monocoque chassis that absorbs shock and vibration, to the hybrid powertrain that balances brute torque with clean efficiency. It's a machine that looks forward, not back, one that's ready for the next generation of overlanders. This isn't just Scania showing off, it's Scania showing what's possible. Whether you're crossing the Mojave, traversing Siberia, or carving paths through the Sahara, the DesertCruiser delivers unwavering performance and unmatched endurance. It's the kind of machine that changes how we see adventure, not as risk, but as opportunity. In a world full of limits, this is the machine built to erase them. The first thing you notice about the Scania DesertCruiser 6.6 is its sheer presence. Standing tall against the horizon, it commands respect like a metallic giant forged by the desert itself. Its body is built from reinforced high-tensile steel, the same material used in heavy-duty defense vehicles, yet it's sculpted with the grace of a luxury. By it, the aerodynamic design reduces drag, increases stability, and allows smooth airflow even at high speeds. Its matte desert bronze finish isn't just for show. It reflects heat and resists abrasion from sand and dust storms. Up front, a bold grille framed in chrome exudes authority, while the adaptive LED floodlights and massive light bar cut through darkness like daylight. The 6.6 drivetrain gives it an elevated stance, granting both visual power and practical advantage, high ground clearance, extended articulation, and unstoppable traction. It's not just a vehicle that travels through nature. It's one that becomes part of it. The all-terrain Michelin XZL tires ensure grip across every landscape, while the integrated winch system and off-road bumpers make sure it can pull itself or others out of any situation. The design language speaks a rare dialect, one of confidence, durability, and pure capability. From every angle, the DesertCruiser looks ready to take on the world and win. Scania didn't just build an RV, they built a rolling fortress, a statement of survival and sophistication perfectly blended into one. Every inch of the DesertCruiser's exterior is designed with purpose. The sculpted panels aren't just aesthetic, they shield essential systems, provide aerodynamics, and conceal integrated storage. The side panels hide retractable equipment bays, solar converters, and utility access points, giving the exterior a clean, modern look. Chrome accents on the grille and door handles hint at luxury without shouting it. The front bumper houses a high-torque winch system capable of pulling 20,000 pounds, while the adaptive suspension system automatically adjusts ride height depending on terrain. From low-profile cruising on highways to maximum clearance for off-road climbs. The rear ladder system leads to the roof, which holds an array of solar panels, a satellite dish, and an observation deck strong enough to support camping gear or even a mounted drone station. Scania designed the DesertCruiser with explorers in mind, those who live on the move, who value both practicality and beauty. Even the underbody is reinforced and coated with anti-corrosion material to endure salt, flats, mud, and Arctic ice. The vehicle's design communicates a silent message: resilience. It's built for the traveler who never says, "I can't." Every curve has a reason, every contour a purpose. The DesertCruiser doesn't just look tough. It's engineered to survive where most vehicles surrender. This is Scandinavian functionality redefined, where every design choice contributes to performance, safety, and elegance. It's not a truck. It's a statement. Open the door, and the roar of the world fades away. Inside the DesertCruiser, time seems to slow down. The cabin greets you with an atmosphere of calm luxury. A Scandinavian-inspired blend of oak wood flooring, soft suede leather upholstery, and panoramic glass windows that wrap around the living space. Natural light floods in, painting everything in gold during sunrise and amber during sunset. The layout is open yet efficient, designed to make even the most remote wilderness feel like home. Every detail reflects craftsmanship, from the hand-stitched leather to the brushed aluminum fixtures. The living area transforms easily. A dining table that lowers into a plush queen-size bed, a secondary lounge that doubles as a digital workspace, and hidden storage compartments that keep the cabin sleek and uncluttered. Soft LED ambient lighting adjusts to your mood, and high-grade acoustic insulation blocks outside noise, creating a tranquil cocoon in the middle of chaos. Whether you're parked by a frozen lake in Alaska or under the scorching Moroccan sun, the climate control system keeps you perfectly comfortable. The DesertCruiser's interior isn't just beautiful, it's intelligent. Integrated smart controls let you adjust lighting, temperature, and power systems with a single touch. It's the feeling of home, but elevated to an entirely new standard. Inside, you don't just travel, you belong. The DesertCruiser turns survival into art. Its kitchen rivals that of modern apartments, equipped with a 2-burner induction cooktop, smart refrigerator, convection oven, and water filtration system capable of purifying natural sources. The dining area seats 4 comfortably and converts effortlessly into a bedroom for 2. Every inch is used intelligently. Fold-out counters, underfloor storage, and modular shelves make the interior adaptable for any lifestyle. The rear lounge offers a secondary sleeping space or a work-from-anywhere office, complete with wireless connectivity and charging hubs. Scania thought of everything, from built-in cup holders that lock during movement, to adjustable lighting zones for relaxation or productivity. The bathroom, compact yet luxurious, features a rainfall shower, heated floor, and eco-toilet system with waste management designed for weeks off-grid. The motorhome's onboard climate system keeps humidity balanced and air purified, making even the harshest environments livable. Every system runs on the vehicle's smart grid, powered by both solar and hybrid electric assist, ensuring that no matter where you roam, you'll never run out of comfort. This isn't camping. This is freedom reimagined. The DesertCruiser doesn't ask you to rough it. It asks you to live fully, to wake up in the wilderness with all the luxuries of home, wrapped in the adventure of the unknown.
Beneath its imposing body lies the heart of a giant. The 2026 Scania DesertCruiser 6.6 houses a 13-liter inline-6 turbo diesel hybrid engine, capable of delivering an incredible 900 horsepower and 2,800 Newton-meters of torque. This powerhouse is paired with Scania's OptiCruise 12-speed automatic transmission, ensuring buttery smooth gear shifts even under heavy load. The hybrid system doesn't just add speed, it adds endurance, efficiency, and instant torque on demand. The torque vectoring system distributes power intelligently across all 6 wheels, optimizing traction on mud, sand, ice, or rock. The result? 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 9 seconds. a mind-bending feat for a vehicle this size. Yet, despite its immense power, the DesertCruiser remains surprisingly quiet and efficient. Its dual hybrid electric assist system extends the range beyond 1,000 miles on a single fill, supported by a 250-gallon fuel capacity. This is performance without compromise, power that respects the planet. Scania's engineers spent thousands of hours fine-tuning every element, from turbocharger dynamics to exhaust cooling, to ensure this 6.6 isn't just powerful, but reliable for decades. When you push the start button and hear that deep, refined rumble, you're not just starting an engine, you're awakening a legend. Every journey becomes a statement. That power, when harnessed with intelligence, becomes poetry in motion.
The DesertCruiser is more than an overlander. It's a long-distance conqueror, built for expeditions that cross continents. It thrives where others fail. Its advanced traction management system automatically adjusts torque distribution based on terrain sensors, allowing for confident movement through sandstorms, snow, or mountain passes. The hydraulic suspension adapts in milliseconds, maintaining comfort and stability even on uneven ground. Scania's terrain mapping AI scans the road ahead, predicting obstacles and adjusting the vehicle's performance in real time. Paired with a massive fuel reserve and energy-efficient solar arrays, it offers true off-grid independence. But endurance isn't just about power, it's about reliability. Every component is tested to military-grade standards, from temperature extremes to vibration resistance. Even the tires are self-sealing, reducing the risk of puncture in remote terrain. When you drive the DesertCruiser, you're piloting a machine designed for survival, a vessel built for the explorers who refuse to turn back. The cabin remains whisper quiet even at top speed. The air conditioning hums softly, and the outside chaos feels miles away. It's a reminder that strength doesn't have to be loud. It can be calm, confident, and unstoppable. This is what Scania calls engineered endurance, the ability to go anywhere, anytime, and never look back. Inside the cockpit, technology takes the lead. The dual 15-inch digital instrument cluster provides real-time telemetry, terrain scanning, and AI-assisted navigation through Scania's Command View interface. Every detail is at your fingertips, from tire pressure to energy output, from weather forecasts to star maps. With Starlink satellite internet, you're connected even in the most remote deserts. The infotainment system supports Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, seamlessly integrating your world with the wilderness. Voice commands allow you to control lighting, temperature, and even suspension height. The onboard smart grid power system balances energy between the diesel engine, hybrid battery, and solar input, ensuring maximum efficiency and zero downtime. Security systems include motion sensors, night vision cameras, and automated locking. Every function feels intelligent, anticipatory, alive. This is a cockpit designed not just to drive, but to think. It gives you the confidence of a pilot, the comfort of a captain, and the control of a creator. In the 2026 Scania DesertCruiser, technology isn't an accessory. It's an ally, one that works silently to keep you safe, informed, and unstoppable. In the end, the Scania DesertCruiser 6 isn't just about travel. It's about transformation. It represents a new age of exploration, where luxury and adventure coexist in perfect harmony. Scania didn't just build a motorhome. They built a symbol of human resilience, proof that even in a world of limits, we can still design machines that defy them. It's a tribute to those who live without fear, who follow sunsets into the unknown. Every journey in this 6x6 is more than a drive. It's a declaration, a statement that says freedom isn't found on a map. It's built by those who dare to move beyond it. From the thunder of its engine to the serenity of its interior, the DesertCruiser embodies balance between wildness and comfort, between earth and technology, between man and machine. This is more than innovation. It's evolution on wheels. The 2026 Scania DesertCruiser 6x6 is not just the ultimate expedition vehicle. It's the ultimate expression of independence. Wherever the road ends, your story begins.